Hey, here we are again. Back in the school of hard knocks. Look at this hatless wonder. What a nice shine I got. Hey, remember the other day I was working on that Pro 90 Webasto? Whatever, the newest one. And I had low voltage. What we do is we just use this as a well, it's a battery. That's all it is. It's a battery, but we can 24-12. And when we put the meter on it, we only had 22.8, so we know that that Webasto Pro will not work with low voltage. Remember that. So what I did is I went ahead and got on the Amazon, and I got me 2 batteries, $84 delivered to the door. These are them what do they call them? These are they're, what do you call it, 22 amp hour batteries, 12 volts. They're same part number, different year. Made in the Republic of Vietnam. Anyways, no big deal. But I wanted to show you this detail. I'm going to switch them out right now, and I just started, and I thought, you know what? I got to get this thing apart and pull these batteries out. But typical, now this thing is made in America. See the corner of the battery up in there? For God's sakes, if this was an injected molded part or blow molded, this is just milk jug material. Cut the corner away, man. Why would you fight yourself as an assembler? Trim that corner or fix your mold, whatever you got to do. I'm going to cut that before I bring them out. That's all I'm telling you. That's all I brought you here for. And then I'm going to load test that and go from there. But that pisses me off, because now I got to pinch my fingers trying to get it out. It doesn't piss me off. It's just, come on, people of the world. Why would you make your job hard and have to force them batteries in? You can see where it's all scuffed to smithereens trying to get that in, and that's right where the bolt goes and the nut. Zip. You had to use some kind of cutter to open that up. It's a nice snug fit, but zip. Zip. You got this big cover in the back. You know, it ain't going nowhere. You want me to tell you the brand? It's a good brand. I mean, we've had it for 11. It's awesome. This thing has been really good to us. I just thought I'd preach about something. So, all right, maybe I'll bring you back when I got it put together, and we'll put a load on it. I just tested these. I didn't put a load on them, but I checked them with the meter, and they're at 13 volts, 12.98, close enough to 13 for me. So we should be back up to 26 that we would need for a good jumper. Okay. So here we are, boys and girls. Out with the old. I can't read it, can you? Oh yeah. 2011 to 2019. Ooh. Yeah, it's a long time. So I'm going to prove it out. I just want to make sure that I didn't screw anything up. Excuse me. Oh, here we go. We're going to plug her into the 24 and watch the meter go. Yeah, 25.8. Now I'm going to plug her into the 12. 13, that's what I want to see. That means I hooked everything upright. Upright? That's what I'm doing right now. I'm standing upright. That's it. If you look that up, that JNC 1224 in the books, sells books, they're really good. But I think they're up to 700. 600 or 700. Boy, a guy could make one. This thing is tough. It's tough as hell. We've used the heck out of it. But why would I want to spend another 700 or 600 bucks so I can just get those Chinese batteries? Like I said, searched and searched on Amazon, and 84 for the 2 of them, and I know every place I looked they were right around the same cost, but that particular one I have the Prime deal, and so I had free shipping. So we should be good to go. I like this thing because it can sit there on the charger for all the time. You plug it in and it self-charges. And it's always ready when you need it. And if it lasted 7 years, 11 to 8, let's just call it 11 to 18 because they're finished August 11, it's close enough, so 7 years. It saved us enough times. So, a couple new batteries, maybe another 7 years. Okay, see you later. See you, bye. Okay, so I lied. There it is in the tool book. I had to look. This is one from December. 569. JNC. That's kind of looks like junk. JNC 1224. If you guys run 12 volt and 24 equipment, we got 3 of them around here. I got one for my dad and in his semi because he hauls equipment. And one of my customers had me get one time, and plus mine, so it's slick. Okay, just wanted to say that I lied. It wasn't 700. It's still 569. It's about what I paid. Probably paid less than that, 100. Well, then again, the batteries were probably made in the U.S. Now they're made in China, so it can be the same price point. Who knows? Okay, had to tell you that.